We are honored to welcome Dr. Pawan Agarwal, CEO of Mumbai Dabbawala Association, to share his insights on teamwork and success.
To introduce our guest Pawan Agarwal from Dabbawala, the famous Dabbawala management concept of India, I would like to honor Rotarian Gopinath. Gopik, please come. Rotarian Gopinath is charter president of Rotary Club of Gudiyatham Galaxy, right? Golden Galaxy. தனி ஆளா இவர் ஏறக்குறைய 500 பேர் இறந்து போனவங்கள, ஆதரவு இல்லாதவங்கள தனியாக அவரே எடுத்து மயானத்துக்கு கொண்டு போய் செலவெல்லாம் பார்த்து அவரே he is doing all the services by himself. அதுக்கு காரணம் ரோட்டரின்னு சொல்றாரு, கரெக்டா?
100% only Rotary.
அது மட்டும் இல்லை, இறந்து போனவங்க குடியாத்தம் பகுதியில், வெள்ளூர் பகுதியில் இறந்து போனவங்களுடைய குடும்பத்தை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணி அவங்களுடைய கண்களை தானமாக பெற்று 1000 கண்களை தானமாக பெற்று இது வரைக்கும் கொடுத்துருக்காரு. 1000 பேர்னா 2 ஜோடி கண், ஒரு ஜோடி கண்கள்னா 2000 பேருக்கு கண்ணொளி கொடுத்துருக்காரு. Rotary District 3233 truly appreciates the services of Rotarian Gopinath. JK, can you please join? Past Governor JK and Palani also, our district secretary. So truly we are all happy that a person like Gopinath continues the service in the name of Rotary, and may I request District Governor elect Devendran to honor him with a shawl.
Welcome Mr. Pawan Agarwal, a renowned expert on Mumbai's world-famous Dabbawala system. A logistics marvel that has captivated global businesses and researchers with its unmatched efficiency, precision, and dedication. For decades, Mumbai's Dabbawalas have delivered over 200,000 lunchboxes daily with near-zero error rates, earning recognition from top institutions, including Harvard Business School. Mr. Agarwal has been instrumental in taking this incredible success story to the world, showcasing the power of teamwork, time management, and operational excellence. With his deep expertise in supply chain management and leadership, he continues to influence industries, bridging the gap between traditional wisdom and modern business strategies. Let's give a warm round of applause for the inspiring Mr. Pawan Agarwal.
Good morning, you all. Vanakkam. Thank you, Rotary Club, invited me for this big conference. And sir, I know the world's one of the biggest organization that is Rotary International, and you are the part of it. I am really proud to deliver many times for Rotary. Thanks everyone, Governor sir, incoming Governor, and of course my friend Paul, that you all invited me. Friends, time is very short, no doubt. 30 minutes, I will finish before that, because I know it is gone delayed. I just think Mr. Daniel, sir, really very good examples you have given. And rightly you told, we are giving to society. God has given everything free of charge. At least we should give back through Rotary Foundation. Sir, really your suggestion is very good. And we should do every moment for this. Friends, as far as Dabbawalas are concerned, I'll speak on Dabbawala. You must be knowing Dabbawalas concerned. Sir, they are delivering lunchbox in Mumbai, but they are not caterers. The food is cooked at your home. What Dabbawala are doing, they are collecting your home cooked food in the morning and they deliver before lunchtime in office. After lunch is over, they will get back empty tiffin same day evening at home. That's it. It means Dabbawala giving 2 deliveries in a day. And on these 2 delivery, I speak globally. Sir, because their delivery is important, but more than that, how they deliver, that is more important. So I am speaking, you are listening. What I speak, what you listen is important, but equally important, how I speak, how you listen. Sir, to join Rotary is important, but in Rotary, how you work, it is equally important, equally important. Because people are expecting from we all. Sir, we believe serving food, serving God. Friends, you know, many people, of course, from Chennai, you want to know why Dabawala collect your lunch box. Why you cannot carry your own lunch box in Mumbai? So mainly two reasons. Number one, we travel by local train in Mumbai. And you know, Mumbai local train is overcrowded. It's very difficult for Mumbai people to travel with empty hand. You cannot carry your lunch box. So number two, long railway route. So we travel 60-70 kilometers pulse of every day. 60-70 kilometers. It takes 3 hours for a Mumbai person to travel from home to workplace. So suppose you want to reach office 9 o'clock. You will start morning 6 o'clock. And still you want to carry your own lunch box. Your wife should cook 5 o'clock. Now Mumbai husband don't want my wife should cook 5 o'clock. Because Mumbai husband love his wife. Chennai husband also love, but Mumbai husband को ज़्यादा ही प्यार करता है. So he want my wife should cook 8 o'clock. So listen carefully. Husband start 6 o'clock, wife cook 8 o'clock, and 9 o'clock who come to collect tiffin? Dabawala. Sir, we message in Mumbai, जो बीवी से करे प्यार, वो डब्बावाला को कैसे करे इनकार? Let Dabawala to collect your tiffin, and we give satisfaction. Friends, as far as Dabawala is concerned, sir, can you start my PPT? Sir, you know, as far as Dabawala is concerned, sir, we call Dabawala as a master of logistics and supply chain. We call them as a master. So despite the fact Dabawala are illiterate, but despite they are illiterate, they are best in management. They do best in management. Sir, how? Because of working experience. You know, friend, as per our Rotary also, because I travel many states for Rotary Club, Rotary International, I know every type of people are in Rotary as a member. So we are masters in any place, but we work like anything in this. As far as Dabawala is concerned, so I know what I want to message today. So I want that, so these people are not literate, but they make 100% delivery in Mumbai. 100%. Can you imagine? 100%. So if you want to know, as far as Dabawalas are, so they started in 1890. 1890. Oh my God. Dabawala business going on in Mumbai. Last 134 years. 134 years. Consistently delivering. Consistently. And sir, in 134 years, it never happened that single tiffin not delivered. Impossible. See the next slide. You will come to know. Consistently delivering. 100% execution. 100% execution. I told Dabawala, man, if one tiffin not deliver, what will happen? You know what Dabawala told? Sir, if one tiffin not deliver, that day my customer can eat outside food. But suppose that day my customer wife put in medicine for husband in the morning, and that day I am not delivered. And if something happened wrong to my customer, who responsible? Dabawala said, I am responsible. And because of that, every delivery is important. Every delivery. Friends, when Daniel Saab was giving lecture to you, I really followed. So do you feel if one Rotarian do not donate, do not contribute, Venu Saab, in Mahindra, you know, long back and long time you are working. Sir, one person do not contribute, it won't affect to other people. It will affect to you. You will miss the opportunity. Am I right, Daniel sir? You will miss the opportunity. We believe that. We are serving food means serving God. And that's why Dabawala feel I should make delivery every customer, so that too accurately. Sir, it never happened single tiffin wrongly delivered. Impossible. Accuracy. When I asked Dabawala, that I am speaking to audience, you never do mistake. You know what Dabawala replied? Sir, I want to deliver my customer his own wife cooked food, not someone else's wife cooked food. So I cannot do wrong delivery. I cannot do wrong delivery. See the feeling. And this is, sir, because of dedication. Friend, really, I remember when Mr. Paul called me before 2 months or maybe 3 months. Dr. Pavan, we have district conference and we want to call you for as a motivational speaker. And I saw your agenda. Sir, in 3 days, number of people speaking. Sir, it means, sir, we are just listeners, but those people are working back up the stage. Sir, completely they are dedicated. They are dedicated. Am I right? Complete dedication. In every business, in every work, dedication is important. And that too, timely. Sir, if you see on Google, in time, on time delivery, you will find one of the top Mumbai Dabawala. We never do late. We never do late. So despite our delivery depend on local train may comes on late, but Dabawala always on time. Always on time. I told Dabawala, trains are late. How you are coming in time? What Dabawala replied? Sir, I am not railway minister. I cannot change train system. I can change my system. I can change my system. Sir, maybe country, maybe Rotary Club, maybe Dabawala. Sir, system is system, which is for everyone. So you have to follow system. You have to follow system. It's true. Sir, maybe today's governor, incoming governor. Sir, these all people, sorry, not because you are Rotary and I'm sharing, I'm connecting. Sir, these people working for cause, working for society. Sir, we are working for customer. So our last slogan is what? Complete customer satisfaction. See the next slide. Sir, we have 2 main principles. Number 1, work your worship, customer is God. Sir, if you feel at the end of session, you will find customer is God. And no, see the next, when they started, Sir, Dabawala started business in 1890. I told those time, Britishers' time. Sir, in 1890, one Dabawala, one customer. See the next. Today, they are having 5,000 Dabawala delivering every day 200,000 lunch box. 200,000 lunch box. Sir, 5,000 people delivering 200,000. It means one man carrying approximately 40 lunch box. Sir, 40 lunch box. Outside container, inside container, food, basket. Friends, total 40 lunch box weight comes to 50 kg. Carrying in that crowded local train in which we reach more than free. Sir, before 100 years, they were carrying on head. Today also they are carrying on head. Because of local train, they have to shift from platform number 1 to platform number 4. When they cross road, they have to lift on head. So what is this, friend? Work culture. Work culture. So despite what it may be, you have to follow. Sir, see, as far as Dabawala is concerned, traveling 60-70 kilometers, working 9 hours. I will show one slide very quickly and you will come to know. When Dabawala work 9 hours, 10 hours, they do not relax. They do not relax. Sir, I am associated with many NGOs, many conferences. I know to organize one conference, Rotary people, you are having whole year projects and programs. So consistently working, Sir, Dabawala also working consistently. If you see the next, sir, we have Dabawala structure. Of course, I will not explain much more about big structure. I will speak about, sir, this Mukadam. Do you know what is Mukadam? Sir, Mukadam means group leader. You know, friend, sir, we have Dabawala, groups of people. In one Dabawala group, there can be 10 Dabawala, 20 Dabawala, depend. Like you have zone chairman, maybe president, what it may be, like that we are also having. So we are having Mukadam is group. You know, friends, what is Mukadam and how is Mukadam appointed? Sir, Dabawala not qualified. So Mukadam is appointed on the basis of age. Suppose in my group, 10 Dabawala are there. Among 10 Dabawala, one Dabawala appointed as Mukadam. Sir, age is the qualification. The man who is old age by age, appointed as Mukadam. Can you imagine this? High regards for, sorry, I don't know the name, but sir was coming on the stage with stick. So I can understand he must be working for a long time in Rotarian. Am I right, sir? Sir, I will show one slide in which you will find in our Mumbai Dabawala, sir, people are working 60, 80, one Dabawala as of now, 90-year-old still working as a Dabawala. 90-year-old. So my message is what? Sir, no retirement from Rotary Club, no retirement from social work, no till last breath. And sir, if you ask me how Dabawala work consistently, sir, the main reason is because of Mukadam. These all 5,000 people working excellent. See the next, sir. I will show you how Dabawala work in Mumbai. Sir, this is Mumbai local train map. You must be knowing in Mumbai, we have 3 trains. Sir, mono train, metro train, local train. Dabawala allowed to travel only by local train. Sir, because they are allowed to travel with luggage compartment. Sir, mono train, metro train do not have luggage compartment. I will show you how this one Dabawala is traveling from starting point till end point and now is coming back. Sir, 9 hours consistently, long railway route, overweight on his head, overcrowded train, he is working. I will show you the animation. Sir, before I start, let me tell you, I will explain about one Dabawala and you will come to know how other 5,000 people working togetherly. I will just show you, friend, you know what he will do? This man will collect 40 lunch box from this area. Now 40 lunch box working all over Mumbai. 40 customer, one person cannot deliver. What he will do? He will collect 40 lunch box and he will deliver to the nearest station called Ville Parle. Why? At this station, 10, 20, 40 Dabawala will come. Again he will carry 40 lunch box from Ville Parle to Dadar, drop at Dadar. Again same, he will carry 40 lunch box from Dadar to Grand Road, drop at Grand Road. Again same, he will carry another bunch of 40 lunch box from Grand Road to Churchgate, drop at Churchgate. Oh my God. What normal people believe? So Dabawala collect tiffin, deliver tiffin. No man, throughout the day, Dabawala in collection, delivery, loading, unloading, coding, decoding, sorting, resorting, that too overcrowded local train, heavyweight on his head, deliver last 134 years consistently. Sorry friend, today you are finding the big Rotary conference. But how many people in Chennai? Yes, I know. I think Chennai is one of the biggest Rotary club in India. Maybe worldwide, I don't know. Why? Because in past, many members, many people work day in, day out for Rotary. Am I right, sir? That's why today you will be finding this one of the big club of this Chennai. So, sir, we should not forget who worked in the past. Because they nurtured maybe Rotary, and today we are having one of the biggest club and biggest conference, I think in India, has a district conference. So we should not forget past. Maybe family, maybe country, maybe Rotary. So we should know, same Dabawala, sir. Now, sir, he will go by road. He will travel from Churchgate to Nariman Point, maybe on head, maybe on shoulder. The large job, he will ask to deliver 40 lunch box in the Express Tower building. Sir, when Dabawala deliver to customer, you know, Dabawala will go somewhere down and will eat his own food. You know, sir, how Dabawala carries his own food? In one pocket lunch, in one pocket water bottle. Because Dabawala could not able to carry his own lunch additional to 40 lunch box. And because of that, he cannot carry his own lunch box. He carries lunch in pocket. Because to make customer convenient, they live inconveniently. So what you do, Rotarian? To make people happy, you work tirelessly. Am I right? So that is the reason, because we want God blessing. I was listening to Daniel sir, sorry, because I was listening to him only. So I'm not just that I'm taking his name. He was talking. He has given one story and he was telling everything done by God. It's a fact. So I'm speaking, if I'm speaking good, thanks God chosen me to speak. So it's a God who is doing everything. So we should do that. Sir, we are doing. For the next, sir, you know, for the next slide, sir, working on Dabawala is concerned, you know, working, sir, error rate, our error rate, one error in 16 million transactions. 1 in 16 million. Can you imagine? And sir, that's why Dabawala got 6 Sigma certification. Sir, the first Indian company who got 6 Sigma, that is Mumbai Dabawala. First Indian company. Oh my God. The people do not know what is 6 Sigma, they got 6 Sigma. Sir, because they are not working for 6 Sigma, they are working for customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. That's it. I know, friend, we also got award, we got get something, a recognition. But we know that every Rotarian is not working for recognition, not for award. They are working for social satisfaction. Am I right? We work for satisfaction. And say we don't have any technology. So no technology as of now. Can you imagine? Despite working consistently. And you know how much they earn? So 20,000 per month. Oh my God. The people who are recognized globally earning 20,000 per month, despite they are satisfied. So despite that, they expect 1 month bonus. I am sorry to say, some customers do not pay bonus. If you do not pay bonus, he will not discontinue your services. I told Dabawala, this customer not pay bonus, you can discontinue. What Dabawala told, sir, I cannot stop to eat food to my God. I told my God, your God has not paid bonus. He told, sir, he has not paid 1 month bonus. He has paid 12 months salary. And sir, because of this nature, in 134 years, no strike record in the history of Dabawala. Never went on strike. Sahab, maybe Dabawala, maybe Rotary. Say, we don't have strike, boss. From day 1 till day end, we have to work. Every day we have to work. Anyway, what I want to tell about satisfaction. People talk about customer satisfaction. I'll speak very simple things. Can I come down, sir, thoda? Cameraman. Sir, you know what is customer satisfaction? I asked one Dabawala, can you tell me how Dabawala work? Then he told me to ask customer. I went to customer. I told customer, how Dabawala work? Customer told they are excellent. You know what excellent, man? Tiffin is your, food is your. Dabawala simply deliver. Customer told, no sir, they don't simply deliver food. Customer told, when I leave 6 o'clock, sometimes customer forget his spectacle mobile at home. Then 9 o'clock, customer wife put husband mobile in lunch box. And Dabawala deliver along with food, mobile in office. Can you imagine? Another customer told, Dr. Pawan, customer told Dabawala very honest. I told, man, how they can be dishonest? They cannot eat your food. Customer told one incident. Customer told, sir, when I get salary in cash, customer cannot carry salary in pocket because it can be stolen in crowded local train. So what customer do? When he gets salary in cash, after eating food, customer put salary in empty tiffin and Dabawala deliver empty tiffin with salary in the hands of customer's wife safely. Can you imagine? We are also best. We should believe we are the best. So not money. Some customers send gold, silver. Some customer wives send Mangal Sutra. Some customer wives send love letter. What not they send. I'll give one example, then I'll go last because I have another 12 minutes to speak. Sir, I asked one customer, listen carefully, what that customer told. That customer told, sir, Dabawala got for me. Well, what happened? Ma'am, he was sharing story. What an incident. Sometime back, that customer had dispute with his wife. Indian husband-wife always fight. Ma'am is smiling. So every woman knows how husband fight. And sorry friend, our Indian husband, sorry husbands, our Indian husband quality. Angry young man. Number 2, he will cut down but never bend down in front of wife. हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, बंदा टूटेगा, बीवी के सामने झुकेगा. Same thing happened. That husband scolded wife, told wife next day morning, he went to office. Divorce, I will not come back home. Husband went to office. 9 o'clock, Dabawala came home. Indian wife, dile ke manta nahi. Despite dispute, wife delivered tiffin for husband to Dabawala. Dabawala delivered in office. In lunch time, husband saw the tiffin. Morning, angry young man. Husband become the hungry young man. So he opened the tiffin. When he opened the tiffin, on top of tiffin, written love letter from wife. Oh my beloved husband, I love you Lord. Forget what happened in the morning. Eat my food, it is for you. The message given by wife to husband, delivered by. अगली स्टोरी सुनना. हस्बैंड ईटिंग फूड. अब हस्बैंड को खाना खाने के बाद शर्म तो आती है. After eating food, husband brought 2 cinema tickets, put in empty tiffin and returned love letter to wife. I also love you. We'll meet in the evening and we'll forget what happened. सर मेरा मैसेज है हिंदी में, दो आत्माओं का मिलन करने वाला डब्बावाला. डैनियल साहब, I saw Rotary Club, Lions Club, whoever may be. Sir, when we serve consistently, believe me, some are the other person outside whom Rotary Club help. He believe you are God for him or her. Am I right? So we are doing for our blessings. But unknowingly, knowingly, we serve some people, they believe you are God for him. Sir, you know what next? We believe for this purpose, we need attitude approach. So we have disciplines. So we never drink, we never smoke, we have white cap and all things. So I will show video. You will come to know how 60, 80, 90-year-old man working. Sir, play video. See the people. "62 years,
Engaged in the business
70-year-old.
collecting tiffin boxes filled with homemade food from different houses and distributing them at the workplaces of the earning members of these families.
This man is 90-year-old.
Returning empty boxes
90-year-old
to the
man,
respective
still
houses
working.
in the afternoon.
Oh my God.
They
So what
moved
is this?
200,000 such lunches to
Sir, you can
200,000
work.
people working
I don't know
in
one
different
person.
organizations.
Respected, his stick is coming on the dais. He could be honored. I think governor was going down to honor him. No, he told, I will come on the dais. So what is this? Your confidence. Your confidence. Sir, see really, next.
The
Sir,
moment-
I'll show you the coding. Sorry, time is less. Can you play the coding video? You will come to know how they are doing coding. It's a simple piece of paper.
With practically no mix-ups at all. The answer lies in
Simple matches it become the brush.
and
They are doing coding because they want to work whatever the resources available. They don't have any problem if resources are not available. Sir, imagine.
And Q3 is
What is
visible
this?
below.
Sir, nothing but. Sir, you know what this man is doing? Sir, if your coding is not visible because you clean tiffin at home, sometimes coding is not visible. Any Dabawala come to know coding is not visible, he will remove color from pocket and with finger he will overwrite. He will not say, this is not my job. He will do the job. Because karna hai to karna hai. Koi excuse me. He like this. He like this. So no excuse. You are a member, you are president, you are zone chairman, maybe governor, irrespective. As a Rotarian, we should work. We should work. So to save time, I will show 3 video, loading, unloading, coding, just see friends.
That 200,000 of them are having it on all working days on time, thanks to the Mumbai Dabawalas. The shelf life of these lunches are
Next.
to watch the spontaneous sorting. Everyone is picking up his tiffins as per his delivery areas. Tiffins for areas with more density are transported on carts collectively. Some tiffins are on bicycles. One tiffin box shifts hands in transit at least 6 times before it reaches its consumer in
So
his office.
standing near the running
The same
local
is the
train
case
gate
in its
and doing
return
sorting
journey as an
because
empty
to
tiffin.
save time, in time, on time, all the time, not sometime, all the time. That is the Dabawala, sir, no doubt. Last 7 minutes I am having. Sir, please let me know. Let me tell human entrepreneur. Sir, as of now we are having 39 females delivering lunchbox in Mumbai. 39 females. So what they do? They deliver lunchbox to school students. What they do, sir? They collect 40 children tiffin from 40 homes and deliver in only one school. So female no need to travel in local train. So I really feel proud. Next, sir, next. See this, sir, maybe 20 July. Can you go next? Sir, you know, local train. How many people travel in Mumbai local train every day? 8 million people. Sir, 80 lakh log travel in local train every day. Overcrowded. Despite they are working. Sir, Mumbai, daba wala, paper wala, doodh wala, machi wala, bhaji wala, phool wala. Many people travel. Many people. So thank Almighty God, we are Rotary member, we are capable. But in Chennai also you can see there are many poor people working day in, day out. They are working physically. Imagine when, how we are fortunate. Naturally, he will appeal, these people appeal to contribute. Yes, next. Sir, they got documentary by UTV, MTV, CTV, A to ZTV. Next, sir, see the achievement. We got 6 Sigma, Guinness Book of World Record. We got ISO certificate without application. We never applied. We got ISO. We don't know what is ISO. Our ISO is what? Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction. I appeal, friends. Yes, I appeal how you can do it the best. Sir, next, can you next? Sir, you know, Prince Charles came to Mumbai. So when Prince Charles supposed to come, before Prince Charles supposed to come, 6 months prior, consulate called Dabawala. Dabawala, Prince Charles want to meet you. Dabawala told, I don't know what is Prince Charles. He told he's the King of London. Because he told King of London, Dabawala told, okay, we will allow him. But with two conditions. Dabawala told, we will give only 20 minutes to Prince Charles because we are busy. We cannot give more time. Number two, we will not go to Prince Charles. Prince Charles should come to us. Consider to how speak like this. Dabawala told, sir, he is the King of London, but 200,000 customers are the true king. We cannot disturb our customers for one thing. That's the reason. Sir, next, here Prince Charles came. Sir, you know, Prince Charles married. Sir, 3 Indians invited to attend Prince Charles' marriage. Among 3 Indians, 2 were Dabawala to invited to attend Prince Charles' marriage. Sir, recognition. Next, it has many photos. Last 2 minutes. Sir, you know, I made next. Sir, you can go to next. Yes, I will show Rotary photo. Just in SIC Rotary Club next. Sir, this is also Rotary 2008 next. Sir, Paul Saab, if you remember, it was 15 years before photo. How Rotary Chennai next. Sir, the same stage, you invited me couple of years before. Next, sir, next. Thank you, Paul Saab. Sir, see, this is Junoon. If you remember, next. Sir, many. Please go on, please. Last 1 minute. Friends, we are invited and we are doing social commitment, HIV at next. We work for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Sir, my privilege, Prime Minister appointed 100 brand ambassador pan India, and I was one of them appointed by Prime Minister as a brand ambassador for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Next, even Rotary Club, sir, we work for yoga, we Roti Bank, Kapda Bank, and sir, I am running, sir, there are 20 qualities. Sir, next, I am running Dabawala Education Center in Mumbai. So I told Dabawala, you should know computer because tomorrow people will ask on internet. You should know computer. They were not ready. After 1 year, I got idea. In my school, I made Udan local train. In every coach, I put PC. Dabawala told, it's a local train. Now we will come. So they are learning computer next. Sir, we made in Mumbai next. Sir, we made wooden classroom. They teach English inside and we teach English. Sir, next. Sir, that is the only reason. Next. Thank you so much. Invited me on the. Thank you, man. Thank you, Rotary. Thank you.
Now, if that didn't make us rethink teamwork, I don't know what will. Such a
Thank
fascinating
you for standing.
perspective.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Sir, I think you are the oldest Rotary. Please bless me. Thank you. Sir, I know about Mahendra and even I am eager to meet all you people. Thank you.
Fascinating.
Thank you, man. Thank you all.
Discipline, coordination,